What happens whenever you talk to a seller and they say, "Where did you get my number?" Well, I already given you the tools and resources to overcome this objection. Again, this is an objection, which means it's not the fact that they're concerned about you getting their number, they're concerned about actually talking to you. And because they're actually concerned of talking to you and who you are, their objection is, "How did you get my number?" And that's what objections are. It just shows you that you have not built enough rapport and trust with the other person on the phone in order for them to continue talking to you about the things that you need to talk to them. So, where did you get my number? Normally, that's going to occur either in on the initial introduction of the conversation, or it's going to occur on or around the reason for the call. So again, intro, 3 parts, 10 seconds to get 10 seconds to get 10 seconds to get a conversation. Then after you introduce yourself, the reason for your call. It's very simple. I am calling for this. Well, right around this time, they may go into alarm. They may give you an objection saying, "Where did you get my number?" In the framework script, if we look at this, I lay it out pretty clear about verbiage that you can use. Hey, great question. I get asked this all the time. Honestly, it's funny. My partner tells me who to call, and I'm not really sure how we even get your number. But you're probably not interested in selling in the next 1 to 3 months, are you? So there, I easily did an SRR. I stroked, I repeated what they said, and then I reversed them into a question where I take back control of the conversation. That question that I reversed them on is the first question that I need to know. If they answer yes to that, well, now I know that they are the owner. I know that they're interested in selling, and I have their timeline. We can move on. I actually gave you 2 ways to answer that objection. The second one is, hey, great question. Typically when people ask me, they're shocked when I actually tell them we actually received some notifications from the county. When properties go through a change or get flagged in some way, and naturally, we don't even know exactly what that is. But in some cases, people are interested in selling when this happens. But, that's probably not the case here, though, right? And this one right here is called an all not. The way we phrase this is we say naturally, and then we put them in here as far as that's probably not the case here, though, right? And that's making them okay again. And we're trying to take back control of the conversation by framing it in this way. This may come up if we're calling a foreclosure or a probate situation. Some of those situations where it is a little bit touchy on the phone and you have these objections come up because they've already been receiving a lot of these calls. And by framing it this way, you're actually bringing it out to the surface and you're saying, hey, I completely understand. I know that there's something going on. The reason I know that there's something going on with the property and you need my help is because actually we got a notification from the county or city saying that there's something going on and I was told to call you. But that's probably not the case here though, right? And they can be like, "No, or that's that." Overall though, "Where did you get my phone number?" objection is a very easy one to overcome. You just acknowledge them. Hey, that's a great question. It's completely normal. I talk to people like this all the time that has the same question, and it's crazy. We live in a world where it's so easy to get people's contact information. I just got it from public records. But Sally, be honest with me. I mean, you're probably not interested in selling in the next 1 to 3 months, are you? That's it. See you in the next video.